Okay, I'm going to show you two ways to update the property. One is from scratch, and one is when we're just copying one over from the other site. So beginning with Wicker Park, if we go here, we see that we have to copy over 1309 North Ashland Avenue. So when we're copying that, the first demo will be copying, the second will be creating from scratch. First, we'll go over to Wicker Park and the Wicker Park folder, and we will download our 1309 Ashland folder. Okay, now expand it, and it's right there. Okay, now second, we need to go to where we're putting the property. So we're putting the property at wickerpark.idealtyrealestate.com/wp-admin. The username and password are here. When you log in, you'll see this screen. You'll go over here, click Portfolios, All Portfolios. Okay, 1309 North Ashland Avenue is that which we're editing. Okay, we'll give it a second. These are all these places where you see the sunset are places where I've templated where we need to place the images. Okay, real quick, I see one thing wrong, and that's something you can pick up on, but this bar should always be below this bar. That's a small thing, but it should be a row of images and then that bar, just so you know. So first thing, let's start down here. Editing the pencil or clicking add image where there isn't one already. Looks like there's already an image here, but it's the wrong image. So this is the social insights, right? So I didn't mean to move that. The image that we place for social insights is right here. It's this red and black, okay? So for any of the websites, that's what you place for the social insights. For the community profile, what we place is this green thing. No, I apologize. It's this right here, this colored thing that says neighborhood composition on it. Okay, and for the market report, we place the green thing. Okay, now we've placed those three images. Now we have to place these images. First of all, we need, click way up here at the top, click edit this row. This is the very, very top row. Go to design options, and then over here, click this. This is going to be our back header image. So this is the first step where we upload all our files. Let's upload everything in 1309 Ashland. Now at times you'll see a red thing here that says error with a given upload. What you want to do is then just go back over to upload, select files again, and the files that you saw an error for you want to re-upload. Here we're waiting for these to upload. I just did it for demonstration's sake. I already uploaded these. So you see here through here is 1309 Ashland. So you want to just choose a very pretty back image for the cover image. So I'll select that, click cover, and then save. Now that same image we want to set as our featured image. So I used this. We'll set that as our featured image. The featured image has been set. Now this image immediately below here, this one that's set to the side, we want that to be an outdoors shot of the building itself. So the outdoor shot we have of 1309 that we uploaded, it's still uploading, allow me a second. Okay, we'll go in and start adding the property photos in the meantime. So these are the property photos. Now the one thing to watch here is that this image that we added, which is the same as this image, will be right at the top. and we don't want the first image in this to be the same image. So all we have to do is make sure this is a different image, and then just put all the property images. The order doesn't so much matter, but it makes sense to progress from inside to outside. So first we want this to be a different image. So let's say this. And you don't want bathroom in the first 1 or 2 images. You want it to be the main room. So we've done that. Let's do this. We've done that and that. Let's do this. See, these are the errors I was talking about. We would then re-upload those. Granted, I already have them here. Okay, and you can be looking at these thumbnails to see if you've added the same thing twice. Like there, I added the same thing twice. There is an example. I added the same thing twice again. Now we can start getting into rooms and bathrooms. I'm just going to change that order so that it's the top of the stairs, then the room. Then we're just going through the rooms and bathrooms now. Okay, now we'll look through it. It's a good idea to just check that we added them all. So it looks like we've done so. Now, if we want to get a better look at it, we can click this front end edit here. Oh, actually don't do that, I apologize. Okay, so the steps that we did were we added this top image, which we have to click here, the very top edit, not this edit. This very top edit, we added our featured image. We added the same featured image here. Then we added all our property images in sequence, okay? And we added the one outdoor image here. The outdoor image hadn't uploaded yet, so we have to ensure we add that. Okay, so that outdoor image was added. And then it looks like there was one image that I missed. And that was this that was still uploading. That is a shot right inside the front door on the lower level, so I want it higher. Okay, so the only rule again was start with what looks like the lower level, and then it'll be very clear what are kind of, you want to start with the main rooms, and then it's very clear what the bedrooms and the bathroom pictures are. Now we can be done, and we'll click. The only reason we can be done is because this stuff was already inserted for us, granted. I already did that. But that will always be the case because there will always be a template there to start. It just doesn't so happen that this was the same property. What we would do in the future is we would go over to this link that we have, for instance. We would copy and paste this text and add it in place of this text here, and then ensure that we updated our property details and the home prices. I'll do that next, but first I'll upload this video.